What if you could have better process manufacturing control? Effortlessly keep up with compliance requirements? Have stringent document control? Keep track of material, labor, and production costs more closely? And get rid of paper-based batch management processes? We believe that NetSuite-based food and beverage, pharmaceutical, life sciences, and consumer packaged goods businesses can have all of this and more. Remove human error, continuously improve manufacturing operations, and track work in process more closely while increasing both batch consistency and quality. Extend your NetSuite platform as the primary system of record to your shop floor with greater control of your batch mixing operations and real-time integration to equipment, scales, flow meters, and existing systems to improve batch management. The i4OS SmartFactory electronic batch record and kitting solutions allows you to manage the various aspects of your batch process operation to ensure proper ingredients are weighed, kitted, tracked, and dispensed for batch consistency and lower production cost. SmartFactory process validation and error alerts keep you ahead of problems and compliant while keeping your operations productive and continuously innovating. The built-in digital batch history record brings power to help document, track, and analyze each batch produced. SmartFactory eBR and kitting keep NetSuite automatically updated with relevant batch and operational information, improving work and process management, lock tracking, and operational performance reporting via SuiteAnalytics. SmartFactory helps you improve your financial bottom line through tighter material use, improved product quality, better labor utilization, and a lower cost of goods sold. Enable and expand your NetSuite ERP platform to take full advantage of Industry 4.0-based IIoT, machine-to-machine integration, and a paperless shop floor for better performance across the entire operation. Explore the SmartFactory eBR and kitting solutions to minimize costly mistakes due to operator error and paper-based processes. Enhance your power to build great products more consistently, more intelligently, and more profitably. The i4OS SmartFactory is next-generation batch management and manufacturing execution system for NetSuite-based businesses. Visit asmartfactory.com for more information, or call 1-800-265-1230 for a demonstration.